नो आजकल तो एक पूरा प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसका नाम है रेडिट, जो सिर्फ गॉसिप के लिए बनाया गया है। कोई भी पुरानी वीडियो निकाल के, कोई भी पुराना फोटो निकाल के, सो वी डोंट नो इफ दैट्स ट्रू और नॉट, दैट वील फाइंड आउट।
Their videos or pictures are relevant for that time. It's
Correct.
only just a few months ago that we started shooting.
But
so
अच्छा,
if they break up, if I broke up with you 1 week ago, what does it matter that I'm in a relationship or I'm
कि यार आप लोग इतना कॉम्प्लिकेट कर चुके हो, इतने टर्म्स, दिस एंड दैट, what she said was actually, and then you were like, I got heartbroken.
your first priority, second priority, third priority, fourth priority? वो priorities में
Let's just get one thing very, very clear. It's a emotion, it's a feeling. You can't put rules and timelines. ये कोई प्रोजेक्ट थोड़ी है कि ये काम करते हैं 15 दिन के बाद ये लॉयल हो जाते हैं. I don't think मैं बुरा लड़का था. Anxiety goes away from your life when you with somebody that balances out a lot of things, right? अब मुझे वो टेंशन नहीं है कि मैं घर किसके लिए जा रहा हूँ.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू टेली चक्कर। मैं सैयद शादमा आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ और आज हमारे साथ है गॉर्जियस लेडी सनी लियोनी एंड हैंडसम मुंडा करण कुंद्रा।
handsome मुंडा।
वेलकम टू टेली चक्कर। बताइए हमें स्प्लिट्सविला 16 प्यार पैसा, ऑब्वियसली दोनों बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, ये दोनों को एक साथ लाना एंड बहुत ही अमेजिंग कॉन्सेप्ट है। हाउ मच आर यू गाइज एंजॉयिंग इट?
Wait, first, what would you choose? प्यार या पैसा?
आई गेस बोथ आर इम्पोर्टेंट। प्यार तो कर लेंगे बट पैसा भी इम्पोर्टेंट है
पैसा बहुत
survival के
जरूरी
लिए,
है।
But
बहुत
अगर
जरूरी
एक को
है।
choose करना है,
पैसा आई गेस।
See, that's how it is.
see,
So
this is what I want you to know.
Yeah.
We get to know a lot about who is interviewing us when they give us
Yes.
this answer.
I think a lot of people जिन्होंने भी पहला प्रोमो देखा होगा, they'll be like, हाँ यार बात तो सही कर रहे हैं ये स्प्लिट्सविला वाले, it's very important, right? प्यार या पैसा, वो शायद बोलते नहीं होते लोग, but I think that's it. That's how this show has evolved into this season, where it's looking at what's actually happening around the world. But the concept, I think it's fantastic. क्योंकि मैंने पिछला सीजन भी पूरा देखा है, उसके एंड में कुछ ऐसा हुआ था, I think, which is probably the
Exactly.
inspiration
Yeah.
for this season, and these are the iconic moments that happen, and that's this. I was pretty amazed when they told me that this is.
I was like, no.
Yeah, she was. Yeah, but I think at the end of it, she also was enjoying it.
Right, and what do you want to say, Sunny? It's not your first season; it's his first season. आपने तो 10 season कर लिए हैं, and it's something new. How are you feeling?
So last year I was pretty distraught over this decision over Pesa.
Pesa,
But I have to say that the only reason I was so upset is because literally, like, it was either the day before or that day, he had done telling me that he really wants to win this show for his mom. He was on another show and he had lost, and I just went into this whole story. Look, I got goosebumps. He went into this whole story about why he wanted to win, and like it gets like, it just makes your heart like feel so good that it's like he wants to do so well, and then in 1 second it's gone.
Yeah.
So I was shocked, and I was. They don't show this. I don't think they show this, but I was fighting with production, going, "What?" Because they didn't tell me, and certain things they don't tell me on purpose, which I'm happy for. But I was pissed. I was like, "What the hell's going on here?" And then it took like one person to try, second person to try, third person to try and explain all these things. I was so upset, and then I got one last pep talk, and then what Debbie said made sense to me, and then I was like, all right, fine.
I think, but what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. I think both Digvijay and Kashish are doing fantastically well.
Fantastic.
Very true.
Yeah.
एंड करण, आपने तो मतलब एंट्री के साथ ही बोल दिया कि मैं बिग बॉस में भी स्प्लिट्सविला ही खेल कर आया था।
मैं तो ऐसे ही बोल रहा था यार, उन्होंने रखा वो मैंने ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें बोली है कि अगर वो सब रखने वाली तो मेरी तो बैंड बजने वाली है।
बट क्यों कहा आपने ऐसा?
No, I mean, we were just having a conversation about, because as I said, like मैंने last season पूरा देखा, 42 hours of my life in this schedule I've given to Splitsvilla 15, and pretty iconic this show is, एंड तो वही मैं वो बोल रहे थे कि मैं भी फैन हूँ इस शो का, मैं
हाँ।
इतना शो फैन का मतलब हूँ कि जो स्प्लिट्सविला में करते हूँ मैं बिग बॉस में कर आया था, तो मैं वो बोल रहा था और उन्होंने वो निकाला नहीं, काट देना चाहिए था।
हाँ नहीं अच्छा हुआ नहीं था।
मैंने ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें बोली है जो उनको काट देनी चाहिए।
बट सनिया आपका नेवर सीन अंदाज देखने के लिए मिला है, क्वाइट एंग्री
Because he was bakawing me. Seriously, nicely well chup kar. Let me finish. He's not stopping. He was not stopping. And then finally was like, and then I was so upset. I was like, he's gotta go or I gotta go. But you know, this is not working. Or go give him a. It ended up go give him a timeout because he's acting like a little child right now. So go have a timeout and come back when you're ready to join the show. And you know, at least just let us do our job. It's our job to facilitate certain things or say certain things, be devil's advocate, or you know, like help them say positive things, whatever it is that we need to say. But let us say what we need to, and then you guys carry on with whatever you want.
Right.
We don't want to tell you what to say, what not to say. But चुप भी नहीं हो रहा था.
It's a very well-wisher kind of जो हमें पता है तुम्हारे लिए सही क्या, सुन लो सुन, and yeah, comes out of the emotion only, otherwise what's the point, हमें क्या है.
बट ये सीजन एक और चीज के लिए काफी ज्यादा बज़ में है, वो है एवरीवन इज लुकिंग फॉर ट्रू लव, लेकिन सबके बाहर बहुत सारे कंटेस्टेंट्स जिनके ऑलरेडी बाहर रिलेशनशिप है जो अंदर एडमिट नहीं कर रहे. व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से अबाउट दैट?
What do you mean?
I think there's some videos. So what happens is when a show is this big, a lot of talk happens. मेरे बारे में तो आज तक बातें चल रही हैं. So I think there are a lot of people who, I mean, because they're watching the show and they love gossip, and you know आजकल तो एक पूरा platform है जिसका नाम है Reddit जो सिर्फ gossip के लिए बनाया गया है. So a lot of these things, I'm very very happy that it's happening because that means that our show is doing so well कि लोग शुरू हो चुके हैं. But we also have do our fact checks before what is going on, and so a lot of videos have come out. Oh, this is कोई भी पुरानी वीडियो निकाल के, कोई भी पुराना फोटो निकाल के. So we don't know if that's true or not. That we'll find out.
Oh, like saying that the kids have.
They're already dating or all of that.
But there were some of the Splits villains who had just gotten broken up
Yeah.
with somebody.
Yeah.
So of course that their videos or pictures are relevant for that time. It's
Okay.
only just a few months ago that we started shooting.
But
So
अच्छा.
if they break up, if I broke up with you 1 week ago, what does it matter that I'm in a relationship or I'm on a show a week later? I'm still single. There was a couple people that came to us and go,
Yeah.
no, ma'am. I was in a relationship, but now that is over and it's being carried forward. I was like, okay, fine then. If that's true, then it's good.
Good, bad, we are happy. At least हमारे बच्चे स्टार बन रहे हैं आपके थ्रू.
बिल्कुल. लेकिन फर्स्ट एपिसोड में जो आपने सिचुएशनशिप वाली बात की कही थी, आई गेस दैट वाज अमेजिंग. जो जेन जी ने ये सिचुएशनशिप वाली सिचुएशन निकाली है, एंड देन यू एक्सपेक्ट कि हमें सच्चा प्यार मिल जाए. व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से करण, कितना एग्री करते हैं आप उससे?
I 100% agree with what she had said कि यार आप लोग इतना कॉम्प्लिकेट कर चुके हो, इतने terms, this and that. What she said was actually, and then you were like, yeah, I got heartbroken. Situationship भी करनी है, expectation अपनी तरफ से नहीं देनी है, दूसरी तरफ से लेनी है. So get clarity in your head. No?
Yeah, like why be in in a situationship you have your first priority, second priority, third priority,
Right.
fourth priority. वो priorities में वो लड़का या लड़की क्या उसमें अच्छा है, this one and that one. I go, but still at the end of the day, a girl and a boy want to know that you like each other and there's no one else. That's just like our human condition, you know, that we want that. But in all this craziness of like social media and situationships and not wanting to commit, deep down inside, we find every single time Splitsvilla comes, every single time the girl just wants a boy to like her. And the boy just wants that girl to pay attention to him, not go talk to another boy. So what is that? This is normal dating.
Right. That's what I was asking. That's what exactly मेरा next question था. Do you think कि loyalty इतनी जल्दी expect करना is the right thing? Because you have been into the relationship since long. आप हैं. What do you think about the loyalty? इतने जल्दी कब? When is the right time to expect the loyalty from the guy?
I
or
don't even
partner
think
you're-
that you can put expectations. It happens within the second you meet someone. Whether you want to be in a relationship or whether you want a friendship or whether I don't know you at all, you're a complete stranger, there is some level of humanity there that wants to believe what you're saying, whether your intentions are clear or not.
There are no rules to love. Let's just get one thing very, very clear. It's a emotion, it's a feeling. You can't put rules and timelines. ये कोई project थोड़ी है कि ये काम करते हैं 15 दिन के बाद ये loyal हो जाते हैं 20 दिन के बाद हमारा official relation. It's about how you feel with that person.
Right,
And
true.
you will either come to know in the first couple of seconds or you won't find out for the rest of your lives as well.
वैसे आपकी भी काफी सारी चीजें निकली है बाहर, जैसे आपने कहा कि तेजस्वी ने आपको
मेरी कौन सी चीज निकली बात
She said this in like a scary way.
relationship वाली कुछ secrets निकल के है that तेजस्वी ने आपको अच्छा लड़का बना दिया है. What do you want to say about that?
I don't think मैं बुरा लड़का था, you know, but yeah, there's a lot that changes in you when you find the right person. Okay, I'll put it this way, a lot of anxiety goes away from your life when you're with somebody that balances out a lot of things, right? अब मुझे वो टेंशन नहीं है कि मैं घर किसके लिए जा रहा हूँ या मुझे ये टेंशन नहीं है कि you know क्या, तो बहुत सारी when you're in a relationship you are so many of your burdens are taken away by your partner. So I think because of that I'm a more calm person and my energies are more focused on what my legacy is going to be rather than finding कि भाई किसके साथ रहूं कुछ होगा मेरी लाइफ का कि नहीं. So I think that happens with everybody.
But then lastly जाने से पहले शादी वाला प्रेशर कहीं ना कहीं इफेक्ट करता है.
मुझे तो नहीं करता, मुझे लगता है कि हमारे फैंस को ज्यादा करता है बेचारों को, मुझे नहीं करता.
नहीं.
I've never had taken any pressure.
Right.
It's good. We're all waiting for a fairy tale ending.
Yes.
Exactly. Yes. Even we are waiting for it. तो हमें कुछ बताएंगे, कभी कुछ सोचा है आपने?
You pick a date.
How can I pick?
Let's just hear what you have to say. When do you think?
I would like to get you married in this year only. Then is it possible?
Splitsvilla के जो last episode है उसमें reveal हो जाएगा. So keep watching.
Oh my God.
Hey, that's a good one. I like that.
तो फिर जरूर देखें स्प्लिट्सविला का last episode. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you,
It was
thank you.
lovely talking to you guys. What do you want to say हमारे audiences से? When, where, कहाँ देखने मिलने वाला है उन्हें? Splitsvilla 16.
New episodes Friday, Saturday, Sunday 7 p.m. Jio Hotstar and MTV. कभी भी देखिए, आपके ऊपर है, but देखिए जरूर. That's it.
Yeah. Keep watching.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
so much.
Hi, I'm Sunny Leone.
Hi, this is Karan Kundra and you're watching us on Telechakra.